Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available screen off gestures on Oppo Reno 8T. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then look for additional settings at the bottom, and here we have gestures and motions. Here you can enter screen off gestures, and we're gonna check which of these options work on a lock screen. I will also cover all of these options right here, so let's start with that. So swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. That's 2 functions, and probably as it's a screenshot it won't work on a lock screen, so let's try to wake it up, and now we can use our 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot, but it's not supported on a lock screen. There's also 3 fingers down, but that one works fine. Next is raise to wake, and if we lock our phone, then pick it up in a grip like that, it should wake up our phone without any button press, but for some reason, yeah, okay, it works. Next is lift to ear to answer a call, and also auto switch to receiver. If you lift your phone to your ear, you can answer a call when it's incoming, or if you choose auto switch to receiver, it will automatically answer all calls while it's detected near your ear. Lastly, right in this list we have the flip to mute incoming calls, so this should work on a lock screen, as you need to lock your phone, then put it upside down like this, and it will enter sort of do not disturb mode, and you won't receive any calls or messages. Now let's move on to the main topic of this video, which is screen off gestures. And right here, make sure that you enable it, and then they should show like that. And first option is double tap to wake or turn off screen, and now let's try it. Yep, it works. Next is draw specific things like O, V, or different motions, which I'm gonna show you, and cover all of these 3 options in one go to do multiple things. And now let's lock our phone. Draw O to open a camera, it works fine. Draw V to open a flashlight, enable it, as you can see it also works. And then draw V again to disable it. And the last thing is a music control, so you can control media by drawing different motions, like arrow to the right to play next track, arrow to the left to play previous track, or draw pause to play or resume or stop music. And here we also have more, and you can click on it to perform different actions like open app, make a call, or unlock your phone by drawing this arrow like pointing up. And let's move to open app, and here we choose Google Play Store. Make sure that it's enabled, and now let's try drawing it. And obviously we'll need to unlock our phone for that, but here we have our Google Play Store launched in one go. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.